When I left recruitment to go back into education and come to Gloucestershire College, it was a big decision for me. It was just sort of the idea that I don't want to sit at a desk and do that kind of job forever. So I explored a lot of the sort of options that were around. Came down to meet the people at Gloucestershire College. Got on with them really well. They showed off their impressive kit room, and that sort of made my mind up, really. My first impressions of my lecturers are very positive. They're very personable people. They talk to you on your level. As soon as I started, almost immediately, I knew it was the right decision. There's a lot that I'd like to learn from my lecturers, from people who've been in it themselves. And to have them available to us here is a big thing as well. Starting my studies, I am excited. I'm optimistic and my eyes are open, and I'm ready to go. I've just completed HNC Media Production. The course definitely exceeded my expectations massively. It was probably the best year of my life, genuinely. Now at the back end of the year, I've made 3 short films and it feels great. It's a big achievement. We did have a small class and we did have a lot of one-to-one time, and the lecturers are always available. They really went the extra mile. Compared to a year ago, I have more certainty about the path I'm on. It feels more real. It's gone from being a sort of pipe dream fantasy to, if you carry on this road, you will get to where you want to be. If I could speak to my past self at the beginning of the course, I would probably express gratitude that they made the decision to come and do this. And I would say, keep going, you got it. I would absolutely recommend Gloucestershire College for university level study. In fact, I would particularly recommend it for university level study.